Hurricane Lee is progressing northward through the weekend, and the northeast impacts are expected. New England residents will need to pay close attention as Lee's effects are expected to begin by Friday and last through early Sunday morning. Tropical storm warnings and hurricane watches are posted. High surf advisories stretch from Florida to Maine, even though Lee is hundreds of miles away from land. East Coast residents are already seeing some of the effects from Lee in the form of big waves and swells, as well as dangerous rip currents. Coastal waves could be more than 20 feet high from Cape Cod northward through coastal Maine by the time Lee begins to make its way further north on Friday. Not only will the wave action be there, but life-threatening storm surge up to 4 feet on top of the high tide could cause coastal flooding and beach erosion. With Lee comes heavy rainfall that will soak the New England coast on top of the heavy rainfall that's been drenching residents there already this week. The additional rain could have trouble soaking into the ground due to the recent rainfall, and flooding is expected. Finally, Lee will bring gusty winds as long as it continues on its current trajectory. Those in interior New England could see gusts up to 30 miles per hour, but places from eastern Long Island through Boston and the coastal Maine areas will have increasing gusts Friday through Saturday. Cape Cod, Barnstable, and Provincetown, Massachusetts, as well as much of coastal Maine, could have gusts higher than 50 miles per hour, reaching the 60-mile-per-hour zone by Saturday morning.